Here's something most people don't realize. Sunlight isn't just for seeing. It actively controls how your entire body functions. Every single day, your biology is literally waiting for light before it decides what to do next. So how does this work? When light enters your eyes, it doesn't just go to the parts of your brain for vision. It also hits a special group of cells in your retina. These cells have one job: to measure brightness. They send that information directly to a tiny structure in your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which is basically your body's master clock. This clock runs your circadian rhythm, the 24-hour internal timer that coordinates almost every biological process you have. Once that morning light signal arrives, your body officially starts its day. This master clock regulates so much. It controls when you feel sleepy and how deeply you rest. It manages the release of hormones like melatonin, which makes you tired, and cortisol, which wakes you up. It even influences your body temperature, your digestion, your immune system, and your blood pressure. Morning light tells your body to stop making melatonin and release cortisol, helping you feel alert. As the light fades in the evening, melatonin rises again, preparing you for sleep. This perfect cycle repeats every day, keeping all your systems synchronized. But what happens when that light is missing? If you don't get enough daylight, or if you're surrounded by artificial light late at night, your circadian rhythm starts to drift. Your sleep might get delayed, or you might wake up frequently. You feel tired at the wrong times, and your hormone release loses its precision. This isn't just in your head. It's a biological timing error. This misalignment is linked to things like chronic fatigue, mood swings, insulin resistance, weight gain, and a weaker immune system. Sunlight also triggers the production of vitamin D when it hits your skin. Vitamin D is crucial for strong bones, muscle function, and regulating your immune system. So, low sunlight often means low vitamin D, which can increase your risk of infections. Light impacts your immunity through both vitamin D and the circadian timing of your immune cells. Scientific studies on shift workers and people with jet lag show a very clear pattern. When your body's light signals are disrupted, your health gets worse over time. This circadian misalignment is tied to a higher risk of metabolic diseases, heart problems, and mood disorders. Your body just doesn't adapt well to confusing light signals. So think of sunlight not as medicine, but as information. It tells your body when to wake up, when to rest, when to repair itself, and when to defend against threats. When that signal is weak or missing, your body tries to compensate, but over time, systems that once worked in harmony begin to fall out of sync. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll uncover another strange truth hidden inside your own body. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.